Welcome back to Taste Like Disney. I'm Joey, my producer and editor, and also my dog Sophie is over on the couch watching me, or asleep. Probably asleep. Today we have a very exciting video. This is incredible. This is Disneyland's 70th anniversary. 70. 70 years. It opened July 17th, 1955, and it's turning 70. I'm actually filming this Wednesday, the 16th. Tomorrow, it will be 70 years old. The greatest theme park in the world. It's crazy. So we're gonna do this is exciting. Also, I tried to pick something that I always pick things, or I don't always pick things, but a lot of times I pick things that you can't even get at the parks anymore. And I think I got these like maybe back in 2006, something like that. But they're very easy to make, which is also something I like. So if you want to make it at home, you're not taking your whole day to make something, because some of these things are very, very time consuming. But this one is not. So these are Disneyland's Chocolate Dipped Shortbread Cookies. And I'm pretty sure they served them at the Blue Ribbon Bakery, which sadly has closed since. Now it's the indoor seating for the Carnation Cafe, which is also a fantastic place. But yeah, these are super simple. We love shortbread around here. We love chocolate. So it's a shortbread cookie dipped in chocolate. So that's what we're gonna do. But yeah, so tomorrow's Disneyland's 70th. So if you can't be there, which I can't be there, you can watch the opening ceremony is on YouTube, way back from July 17th, 1955. We watch it every year. It is so fun. It's fun to see Walt walking around the park, and Walt, it's live. It was live, so Walt will trip occasionally. He messes up his lines. It's just so fun to see him, in that way, and it's great. So they're opening a new animatronic figure of Disney, and Walt Disney, I should say. And I'm such a big fan. I mean, I'm actually a Walt Disney fan first and a Disney fan second. And there's a big leap there, because to me, Walt is Disney. He is Disney, obviously. So that's why I'm a fan of Disney, is because of Walt Disney. So I don't know how I feel about it. I've seen some pictures and stuff, but I kind of want to see it live, just because maybe when you're there, it looks better. But the figure does not look like him at all from what I've seen. So it's kind of disappointing in that respect. I mean, obviously, these things are hard to do. But the only good thing, I think, if it draws attention to Walt in the parks, that's great for me. I mean, that's what it's all about, is Walt Disney. So if it at least does that, and some people probably don't even know who he is that are going there. So, I mean, if it draws attention to Walt, then it's a good thing, because that's why all of this Disney stuff is still around, because of Walt. And they're also, I believe there's a new verse to A Small World that Robert Sherman wrote. They're going to debate that as well. So lots of exciting stuff, but happy birthday, Disneyland, my favorite place in the world. Yeah, we're going to make chocolate dipped shortbread cookies. Very easy, very quick. I've actually never made them, but I'm pretty sure I had them there, maybe 2006-ish. If anybody remembers having these in Disneyland, and who knows, they might still have them. I couldn't find them anywhere there. I don't think they do. Anyway, enough babbling for me. Let's get started. Go up to the table there in the kitchen. This is exciting stuff. Exciting stuff. Okay, let's go. Okay, so Sophie and I would like to know what your favorite ride is at any Disney park. You can leave that in the comments. Mine and Sophie's is Pirates of the Caribbean at Disneyland. Nothing comes close. It's like 18 minutes long, twice as long as the Disney World version. Just the best ride of all time. So that's our favorite. What's yours? Okay, so now I'm going to try one of these delicious, hopefully delicious cookies. I'll let you know what I think. Yeah, the chocolate hasn't melted yet, but I'm kind of in a hurry, so I'm gonna have to eat it while it's still kind of messy, as you can see. All right, let's try this. Try not to get any chocolate in my teeth. That's probably possible. Wow, that looks good. All right, here we go. Chocolate Dipped Shortbread Cookies, made famous at Walt Disney's Disneyland. All right. Oh, wow. That is delicious, delicious, delicious. I love it. The chocolate adds a lot to it. These would be good without any chocolate. If you want to dip some, not dip some. Dip them all, not dip them all. Dip two, not dip the other 30, 40. No, actually what I did there, I made a half a batch and made probably maybe 20 something cookies, which is enough. Very good. I'm going to give this is like a 10 out of 10. No joke. This is so easy. You saw what I did. I mean, if I can do it, you can do it. This is delicious. And I hope they still have these here. I mean, I'm sure they have some form of a shortbread cookie. I couldn't find these exact ones, but yeah, this is a 10 out of 10. Love it. So good. This might now be my favorite Disney cookie. So give it a try. You will not regret it. Well, that's our show for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please subscribe. If you didn't enjoy it, you should also subscribe because you can make fun of me. Sophie does it every day. She's doing it right now. You can also hit the like button because it really helps me out, but more importantly, it helps Sophie out. And you can hit the notification bell when I have new videos, usually one a week, sometimes two. And finally, you can also leave a comment if you would like. If you'd like to see me make anything or do anything, I can attempt that. Keyword there is attempt. Happy 70th to Disneyland. I wish I could be there, but I can't, sadly. But I will be watching the opening ceremony as we celebrate every year our favorite place on Earth. All right, so I'm going to close out. I haven't done these closings in a while, so I forget. What is my closing? Oh, yes, I do know. This is ridiculous, I know. If you ever try something that you love and you're not sure why, chances are it tastes like Disney. Thanks for watching.